Maintaining a lush green lawn can be a time-consuming task, but what if I told you there was a way to make it effortless? That's right, we're talking about automatic robotic lawnmowers. Today we're going to show you one of the best robotic lawnmowers that will leave your lawn looking perfect without any effort from you. From sensors that detect obstacles to smart mapping technology, this robotic lawnmower is equipped with the latest technology to make lawn care a breeze. Say goodbye to hours spent pushing a heavy mower and hello to more free time to enjoy your beautiful lawn. Be sure to check out the link in the video description below for the best price on the robotic lawnmower mentioned in this video. So without further ado, let's dive in.
By what magic?
It's not magic, Bob. It's the WORX Landroid.
A fully automated personal greenskeeper that keeps my yard perfectly trimmed 24/7, no matter where I am.
Nice job, buddy. High five. With the Landroid, you just set it and forget it. Just mount the charging base. Establish your perimeter.
Take your 20-volt 4-amp power share battery, which works with all the tools in the brand.
Pop them in once and voila! Your Landroid will recharge itself automatically. And with the Landroid app, the Landroid measures your yard and suggests a mowing schedule all on its own. Or you can manually adjust settings and track your progress, all from the palm of your hand. The Landroid comes in 2 versions, for either a quarter or half-acre yard. The Landroid can climb hills up to 20 degrees.
Hell yeah!
And it's water repellent.
But my yard is full of flower beds, pets, children, squirrels.
Not to worry. This Yard 2D2 has anti-collision system capabilities to avoid running over anything you don't want to mow.
And its offset microblades ensure closer edge cutting for everything you do.
The Landroid knows its boundaries, and it's ultra quiet, unlike your nosy neighbor.
With a no questions asked satisfaction guarantee and a 3-year warranty, you can feel confident about stepping into the future of lawn care. And hurry, your grass is growing as we speak.
Where do I get one?
Go to Amazon, Bob.
To get your own personal greenskeeper and check mowing off your to-do list for good.